Why scattering? We're going to talk a lot about scattering later on with you. It's really important. That's how you control blend. It's what we do when we train people. Scattering is key to the success no matter what. If you just do it, start at one end and go all the way through the other, it doesn't always look that good. It's a way to do the control, and it's kind of have that built in for you for it to be successful. We're going to really show you what it looks like to scatter. So we're scattering at first. It's a way to control color. I'll try to talk a little more about that later. But so Peggy and I decided, as we scattered some colors out and we looked at the test panel, that we'd like to go a little different direction. So what we've done is we created a brand new panel. Here's our new test panel that's been approved by Peggy and I. We love this medium gray color. That's now going to be the majority of the color, and eventually we're going to introduce that to the house. We talk about that later. We did such a good job scattering colors that these colors are scattered in this proportion throughout the patio. We're okay. We also have some tape on pavers that we are not going to stain. The reason we're going to do that to be able to show you that you don't have to stain 100% of the pavers. If you like some of that color, you want to leave some, it could be there. It'll keep costs down, less work and less staining. But what we're going to do is we'll take pictures when it's done, and then we're going to come back and decide, do we like to leave these colors in here? And we pick the darker one out of the range that we like. Or do we want more of the medium gray, more of the light gray, or more of the darks? We can decide that ourselves and what we want to do. So it's really flexible. The process is extremely flexible. So we can do anything we want to do as we go. Later, if this is still light and a little too much blue for Peggy, we could tint that just a little darker shade if she wants in the blend to see. But right now it's growing on her. It's really trying to match that one color of the house, and then we get rid of that old chocolate brown color later, that or the orangey brown that we don't like. We can get rid of that later, but that's it for another time.